Dagang salamat naman sa Visayas. Alright, if you have any song request or any greetings, this can give you guys with. O baka meron po tayo dito nag-celebrate ng birthday. Dapat ay birthday celebrant din gano'n. Anyone? Basta na kayo. Yes po. Happy birthday po kay Jo Antoinette. Asan po siya? Ayan. Happy birthday po sa iyo, madam. Baka meron pong ibang nag-celebrate dyan. Sabay na natin. Okay. Lapang natin ang birthday song. Everybody can clap your hands together. Let's sing the birthday song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday, Jo Antoinette. Happy birthday, Jo Antoinette. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Ma'am Jo Antoinette, God bless you and many more birthdays. Maraming salamat po. Ha? Okay, kailangan niyo naman sa yung point namin sa Pilipinas. Baka pwede po kayo yung greetings dyan or shout out. Ibigin na lang po sa amin. Maraming salamat.
Sinat ko na doon card, ay?
Tira. Can you give some from Ken Rogers?
Ito ka ba rin ah?
Di man lang ang impress na ito ba?
Okay.